Blessed is she who believes that the Lord will fulfill his promises to her. Luke chapter 1 verses 45. Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is a very simple recipe. I do not want to waste your time at all. Please, let's make this one pot turkey fried rice that is suitable for all occasions and more. It is such a quick fix but yet very delicious. It is one of the fried rice recipe that I truly enjoy. So please fam, stay tuned and let's make this together. So here I chose turkey because it's very tender, but you can go ahead and choose any bird of choice, okay? So I have here about a kilo of turkey, and here is my jasmine rice, about 4 cups of that, and I have all the vegetables which I'll list down below in the description box. And I have some seasoning here, some chicken seasoning, vegetable seasoning, salt, garlic paste and ginger paste, and I have my vegetable oil. I also do have my secret liquid seasoning for the best fried rice you could ever have, and I will show you very soon, okay? So I'm going ahead to season my turkey. This turkey is very neatly washed, okay? So I'm going to season it with my chicken seasoning, the garlic and ginger paste, and a bit of salt, and I also add some of the vegetable seasoning as well. Please feel free to use any seasoning of choice. It does not have to be the same, all right? So go ahead and massage this turkey until they are very well seasoned, okay? After doing that, I realized that it was a little bit on the pale side, so I added 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give it some color. Look at that beautiful color. That is exactly how I love the seasoning to go with my turkey. Please feel free to omit the soy sauce if you're not a fan of it, okay? I'm done with that. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, allow it to relax and marinate well. And in the meantime, I'm going ahead to mix my liquid seasoning, which is the dark soy sauce. I always choose the dark soy sauce because I don't want it too much in my food, so I'm using a tablespoon each of it. And I have here my Maggie seasoning, the liquid version, and I also have my thick oyster sauce for some sweetness and more flavor. They're all a tablespoon each, and I'm going ahead to give it a good mix and make sure they're all blended well together, okay? These are always my go-to fried rice seasoning for sure. They make every fried rice moment very special. So once done, I'm going ahead to start with the process. So in my pot, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil and then add my well seasoned turkey, frying the turkey on a low medium heat on both sides for about 10 minutes each. So it is very important that you keep the heat on a very low to medium heat. Yes, allow it to sizzle for another 10 minutes and go ahead and flip it over, and you can see that beautiful caramelized color. So good, but it's not cooked perfectly just yet. At this point, what I like to do is add about a 1/4 cup of water and cover it and allow it to cook, and also help to release lots of that flavorful juices that we need for this rice, okay? Just cover it. By doing this, you are guaranteed that your turkey is going to be cooked perfectly well throughout the process, okay? So about 10 minutes later, you go ahead and open, and you realize that all the water that you added has evaporated and has given you this delicious and very flavorful stock that you can see here. It's sort of turn into oil as well. It is just so good and perfect for your rice. Use this for any form of pear that you choose. Okay, then go ahead and wash your rice. This is what you do if you want to achieve a singled out rice. Okay, make sure that you wash it. Now all that you have to do is make sure that the water turns crystal clear before you introduce it to the pot of turkey that you have on fire. Okay, so go ahead and add your rice now once it's done, and make sure you stir it very well just so that everything is well uniformed. Once you've gotten everything uniform, this is the perfect time for you to add that liquid gold. That liquid seasoning that we mixed earlier on. You add everything here. You can absolutely do without the soy sauce and all that, seasoning that we use, but that gives it, that authentic fried rice taste that you always have on the street, the check vibe. It is absolutely gorgeous like this. Just look at this. So good. So once you've mixed and everything has been uniform, you go ahead and add a very tiny amount of water. Here I added just 2 of these cups. Please, it's very important not to add lots of water. Why? Because the turkey has its own natural juices that it's going to release later on, and we're going to also add some vegetables that also has their own juices. What I want you to really do here is not to add too much water. You're going to get a very saggy rice, and we don't want that. Okay, we want this rice to be singled out and very enjoyable. All right, so make sure that everything is well stirred and combined. And another thing to be very cautious of is the salt. All right, as you know, there has been lots of seasoning going on here, so you really have to taste it very well before you decide to add salt or not. In my case, I decided not to add any more. So cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and while at it, you just go ahead and prep all your vegetables. Of course, you can choose to use any form of vegetables that you love to see in your fried rice. Here I had some carrots, onions, bell peppers, some green peas, spring beans as well. I'll go ahead and season it with a little bit of salt and the vegetable seasoning, and sprinkle a little bit of oil on top. Make sure it's well and good seasoning, but not too much though. Okay. Once done, you go ahead and add everything to your rice. Make sure it's well mixed, and that is it. I told you, cover it for about 3 minutes, allow every flavor to come together, and after that you'll be so done with this fried rice. Just look at this, the color, the beauty of the veggies and those tender turkeys in there. Let me tell you, you need to try this, fam. Just give it a try and you are going to absolutely love it. We're done. This is one pot. We are taking all the pot to the table right now. Oh boy, was it enjoyable. Was so good. And of course we have our Ghana salad to pair with. Of course, ish. It was just the best combo ever. You need to try this, family, and I believe you're going to love it so much. Thank you all so much, family, for watching. And if you've watched it to this far and you enjoy the process, please do not forget to like the video, share to a few friends and family, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about them. Also, I do have lots of different fried rice recipes that I have shared on this channel, so please be sure to check them all out. I'll list everything down below in the description box and I will link it for you here as well. And if this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. Just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.